We're going to go ahead and install the headlight shroud. Now mine came separate in a different box. So we have the shroud itself, a bracket, and then 2 bags of parts. Let's go ahead and attach this bracket to the shroud right here. Now it is going to come with a bunch of parts. Don't freak out. You're not going to need all of these parts. What we are going to do is we are going to align this down here, and you can see there's right here, right here, and right here. There are 3 smaller bolts that we are going to put inside here. You're going to use your number 8 wrench. But first, let's go ahead and put them in and tighten them by hand. Once you get these hand tight, go ahead and grab your number 8 and tighten them up. You will see these 2 tabs right here. These are actually little sleeves. We're going to pull those off. And now we have our mounting point for our shroud. Grab this package right here. We're going to take these out. This is what we're going to use to attach to right here. When it comes to attaching the shroud, you're going to want the tall part at the top. And what we're going to do, just going to line these up right here. And that's how it's going to attach. This bolt has a wide flange on it, and then you have this washer and nut. We're going to put the flange part through the top here and push it through. Then we're going to put the washer and the nut on here at the bottom. You might fumble with it for a little bit, but it's okay. You'll get it. And then just hand tighten it and do the same thing to the other side. When you tighten this down, you're going to want to push this all the way to the back because it's going to keep it nice and tight, and that way it's going to look good. Now let's go ahead and use our tools and tighten those up. Use your 13 wrench, put it right there, grab your Allen key, and tighten it. Push it in one more time and tighten it up even tighter. And now that part is done.